time to do another unboxing. This is my boxing bag. I ordered it on Amazon. The link will be below. It's actually pretty light. It was just left here in my carport. Pretty light. Started unboxing, and then the video fell over, so I had to start over. I'm just gonna cut through the box like this here. Something like this. This is what you do when you don't have scissors on you or anything like that. I guess it's light enough I could just pull it out. Yeah, I'm making this look really hard. My mom always said I did things the hard way. I always had to learn the hard way. But, you know, what are you gonna do? Alright, so looks like we have instructions that I don't usually read. We'll cut those off later. We've got the sand that goes in here. I did read on somebody's review that you put the sand in, then put water in, and then it should be golden as far as not move when you're knocking the bag. Now, this is a this one moves to different heights, as you can see. So it's got these little grooves here. You can put it in to whatever groove you want. Right up, twist, and now you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So came in a couple different colors. I went with black. I also got some gloves. I'll put the link for the gloves I got too. I went with I think they were 14-inch or 14 ounce, I think they were called, but they were, I feel, a little big. So I would probably switch it up and go with the 12s. There you go, it's your boxing bag. It came in just a couple days, super easy. Got to go to the beach and get some sand now. But you know, the reason why I wanted the adjustable one, because a lot of times, you know, you're punching up here. I'm 5'3", so this is a good height. I also like the kicking element of it. But I was reading how people do a lot of the ab exercises. That's the key. You gotta lift it up to then change it. But then you can come down and you can do some ab work. You know, just put your feet around here. Come on up. Sorry, buddy. Come on up and punch. So that's why I wanted the adjustable one, and not just the one that comes, you know, up to here. So anyway, I will put all the links for this and also the gloves in the link below, and let's get working out.